Yo, what's popping, guys? And today I'm not doing a game requests. Game requests will come out this Thursday instead of today. So just that will come this week, just later on. So today I want to talk about some help that I'd like with a project that I'm working on, all right? So basically, I'm not going to tell you what the project's about, even though I'm pretty sure you could probably get some context clue ideas. So basically, what I need you to do is in the link in the description, this project will be shown. It'll send you a link to this project. There's the link if you just want to manually type it. I don't know why you'd want to do that. Just click the description. So I want help with art, right? That's it. That's all I want help with. Is just some art for like a bunch of random stuff, right? So basically, come in here, you'll get this little thing, this little template, right? So what I need is I need a bunch of different kinds of creatures, random creature things. I need here. I'll write it down as I'm typing, so like as you're seeing it. So like comment. I'll just have it like fill up this entire thing. Boop. Like art needed. So we need random creatures of any kind, right? I want items like, I don't know, what are the items? What do you want the items to be? I want items like, weapons, defense items like shields and stuff. We'll have accessories. I don't know how to spell accessories. We're just gonna. That was atrocious spelling. Accessories, rings, like rings and stuff, rings, necklaces, all that kind of stuff. Clothing maybe. Stuff like that like can be added to the creatures. Stuff that can be given or added to the creatures, right? Then what I want is some just like, I don't know, like random kinds of spells maybe? Something like that. I forget that last part, but so like definitely items like this that can be given to the creatures. The creatures for sure. That's really it. That's really all the types of things art I need, right? Other than that, there are some requirements. I'll put that right here. Requirements, right? So the requirements for the drawing, vector only. Only use the vector mode when drawing, right? Oh yeah. Also for the creatures, think of them like Pokemon, right? I'm sure you can figure out what this project is going to be about. Like Pokemon, the only difference is they don't evolve. Do not add evolutions. Okay? They don't do that. They don't evolve. So requirements, vector only. You have to add a backdrop. Like add a background to them. Like something like scenery. Scenery behind it. Scenery, terrain. Make sure it fits in the red box. And by the red box, I mean if you come to costumes and you see this red box right here, fits in the red box. Just this little box right here. Do not resize this box. Do not do it. Okay? Don't touch that box. Just make sure it fits in. If you want to like use the template, right? Just duplicate this and then draw anything you want inside of this box. Or even if you want to get rid of the rest of this thing, like this, and then just have this and then duplicate it, you can go right ahead and do that, right? So I think it's like all the requirements. Some extra stuff is like, oh boy, what do we want for like some extra stuff? Some random extra stuff. You don't have to name it. You don't have to give anything a name. It's not necessary. I mean, I guess if you really wanted to, you can. I might not use the name. I'm just letting you know. If I think of a name that I think is personally better, I might choose that. So you don't have to name anything. Oh yeah, another requirement. You must add color. You have to give color. Because I don't want to be guessing colors, because that might be weird. So you don't have to name anything. I will credit you for every single individual piece of art that you do. You will be credited for each individual piece of art, okay? Each one. Every single one you will be credited for. By name, everybody who sees every piece of art will see your name. So you don't have to type your name anywhere on the pieces of art. I will do that for you, right? So how to submit it, right? I should probably capitalize that. How to submit. All you have to do is remix the project. That's it. Just remix the project, duplicate this template, like remix the project, use the template, and so like you don't have to add any words. Just make sure it's a picture in here. That's all. That's anything. Don't add anything here, up here, on the sides. Just this red box. This red box is the only place you're putting anything. Okay, that's the only place. Only put stuff in this box, not anywhere else. Okay? Anything else you put anywhere else besides in that red box will not be used. Okay? So, think that's about it. I'm going to just change this to like for each piece of art. I always spelled piece wrong. I think I did it right that time. So that's about it. It's about it. I'm going to add an extra ETC right here. All right, awesome. Beautiful. So, yeah, I think that's about it. That's all I really want. I'm going to show you an example of someone who's already done it. So, if you look right here, Foxy Bros 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. So, here's what he came up with, right? A few problems, just a few, okay? Like 2 actually, right? Love the backdrop. The problem here is, I think when he read my Discord message, which if you're in the Discord, you would have seen it, right? See, look right here. I had the thing posted with all the same kind of things, right? He said, count me in, this is him. And then he submitted this, right? Only thing that's a bit wrong here is I think he just seen the words Pokemon and evolutions and made evolution system. Do not add evolutions, okay? No evolutions. So I did use one of these. I won't tell you which one. I did add one of these to the game that I'm working on. I will not tell you which one, but one of these is in the game, and he is properly credited for that piece of art. I'd use all of them, but like obviously they look like evolutions, so I'm not going to be using them all. So I used the background, and one thing that I do want with the background stuff, right? So like if you come in here, all right, try to like use the template, right? So like he did, like this is the box, that's the box right there, right? Which is good. This is the exact size box. He did that right. He did that part right, adding the box size. The one thing that's a little bit weird that I didn't really care for is the entire thing is the background, and then there's 4 things inside the background. What I'd much rather you do is put the entire background inside the box, right? So like that's what I had to do, right? So I took one of these characters, I took this backdrop, I put it inside the box, and then I put one of the characters inside that box too, right? So don't do this. This is, if you do that, whatever, it just makes more work for me. So I prefer if you put everything inside the box, and also try not to put all these in one, right? For like each one of these, maybe if you would have just made 4 copies of this, and then put all 4 in each individual one instead of all 4 in one, I would prefer that more. Just so it's a lot easier for me to like throw inside the backpack, right? That's about it. That's really about it. So yeah, I really would like this if you guys would help out. I think it would be a nice, fun community project that we could all work on together. The game's going to be a lot of fun. It's in the works right now. The reason I'm asking for artists is mainly because the more time I spend making art, the less time I can actually spend coding the game. So yeah, it'd be fun to see all you guys work on this. Remember, just remix the project. I'll be able to check it off and look at every single one. I'll most likely, like, as long as the art is in vector, I'll probably use it. I don't care if the art is garbage, unless it's like so unbelievably garbage that it isn't even funny. But like seriously, if it looks like this, like I used one of these. I liked one of these. Well, I like all of them, right? But I only used one because they all kind of look really similar. But yeah, definitely please do that. Sorry if that was a bit loud and I just destroyed your eardrums. I don't think I did, but maybe I did. I don't know. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, then like it. If you didn't like it anyways, because please, I would love help with this. It'd be so much fun to have a bunch of people working on the same project. I think that'd be super cool, amazing. Let's make like a huge, let's make the biggest collaboration project in the world. I think that'd be really cool. Obviously, it's not gonna be the biggest. I'm not that dumb. But yeah, while you're at it, I want to subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my content. That helped me out a lot. According to YouTube statistics, only a very, very, very small portion of people who watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you could just go down there and see if you're not. And if you're not, just hit the button. It's quick, easy, and free. And you can always unsubscribe later if you don't like what you see in the future. I don't know why you wouldn't, though. My stuff's all pretty cool. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.